welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see by the title, today I'm going to be reviewing some very affordable, colorful prescription type contacts. And guys, I'm super excited to finally be filming this video because I've been wanting to shoot this video for a couple of weeks now, and I feel as though I've collected enough contacts to actually make the video worth making. So today I will be reviewing contacts that I have gotten from Ttdeye. And also, your girl got a discount code because they were kind enough to hit me up and offer me one. So if you guys use the code Miss Diamond Janae, you guys can get some money off of your purchase as well if you guys decided that you wanted to try out this company and all that fun stuff. So like I previously mentioned, the company I am talking about is Ttdeye, and all the color contacts do come in a cute box like this. And just to give you guys a little side note as well, I did not buy all of these contacts right off the bat. I actually bought like some here and some there over the past couple of months, so I was able to gather like a nice little collection and whatnot. Some are prescribed and some aren't prescribed, because when I did buy some from them, I didn't get my contact prescription yet, but the majority of them are prescribed, and I feel as though personally that all of them right on point. I can see, I'm not blind, my eye doesn't feel funny, it doesn't feel itchy, none of that. They're extremely comfortable, and again, I have been wearing a lot of these contacts for the past couple weeks now. So this isn't really like a first impressions video, this is more like a show and tell slash like how the contacts feel and all that other stuff. So yeah, I'm basically just gonna be showing you guys what the contacts look like, how I feel about them, yada yada yada, all that fun stuff. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you guys can see, with me being closer to the camera, this is what my natural eye looks like. Right now I'm wearing my clear contacts that I had actually gotten from America's Best, and again, I do have to wear prescription contacts to be able to see. So basically, as you guys can see, my eyes are like black as night. They're like a very dark brown, but they basically just look black in the ring light. And then I'm also going to show you guys what they look like in natural light as well. Alright guys, so these are the first pair of contacts that I will be showing off for you guys today. So these contacts are the Armenian gray contacts. I actually really like these a lot. These are probably like my top 3 favorite of all the contacts that I do have from Ttdeye. I will say I really like how natural the gray is. Like, it's not like in your face gray. Like, honestly, I feel as though like if you never saw me a day in your life, if you never even met me before, yada yada yada, I feel as though these can definitely pass to be my real eyes. Like, if you guys, like, it's not one of those things where like, oh my goodness, she's obviously wearing contacts, da da da. Like, nah, these are definitely on the more natural side of things. Alright guys, so these are the next pair of contact lenses. These are the Polar Light Gray 2s. Now I will say, at least in my personal opinion, the Polar Light Gray 2s and the Armenian Gray, they're honestly really not that big of a difference when it comes to how they look and feel. Again, all these contacts basically feel the exact same. I will say these are one of the contacts that I've actually gotten before I got my prescription, and so as of now it's kind of hard for me to see. That's why I'm kind of squinting a little bit. But yeah, I bet again, I would say the non-prescribed versus the prescribed, the contacts still feel the same way. The only difference again is that I can't technically see 100% clear right now, and that's why I keep squinting. But that's what those look like, and I actually do like these. Now will I go out and buy these again prescribed? Most likely not, because again, these in the Armenian gray look almost exactly the same to me, but maybe you guys see a difference. I will say this does have a lot more of like a blue tone to these than the Armenian gray do. I will say that, but that's probably like the only difference I can really see with these. But Alright guys, so these are the famous and infamous Queen Brown contacts. Now when I say famous, like y'all, every single Ttdeye video that I've seen and like haul video and whatnot, somebody has had Queen Brown in their rotation of contacts, like y'all. So I of course needed to pick these up and see what the hype was all about, and I definitely will say these contacts are cute, y'all. Like they definitely do look different than they do on the website, I will say that. Like I thought I was gonna get more like a hazel brown type of situation, but these are more pointing towards like a hazel green. But either way, they're so cute. My allergies are acting up and I keep sneezing, and I'm just like, great, as soon as I'm trying to try on all these contacts, all of a sudden I keep sneezing. So if you see me sniffling or like my eyes watering, it's not because of the contacts, it's because my allergies want to start acting stupid. But that's fine because the video is going to continue on. But these are actually the first pair of contacts that I did get prescribed, and again, they really don't feel that different from the non-prescribed contact lenses that I have. And again, I do like to wear these here and there when I go out and about and whatnot. Alright guys, so the next contacts that I'm wearing for you guys are the feather brown contacts. Now truth be told, I didn't see a lot of reviews for this particular pair of contacts, which is why I really wanted to grab them. And I've been looking for like the perfect like light brown contact. I will say I would have loved these contacts if it didn't have like the little extra detailing in them. Like I don't know if you guys can tell by the earlier clip or not, but with these, if you zoom in, like if you're like really all up in my face, you can kind of see like the little like lines and stuff like that and the detailing of the contacts. So to me, it's not the most natural looking out of all of these contacts, I will say that. Like if they would have just took out like the little extra lines and whatnot in there, these definitely probably would have been my favorite. Alright guys, so last but not least, these are the amber brown contacts. Now guys, I will definitely say out of all the contacts that I own from Ttdeye so far, these are definitely the most natural looking ones. They're like a slight lighter brown than my natural eyes are, and I think they're really pretty. 1000% you can get away with saying that these are your real eyes. Like guys, like I don't know, to me this is like a perfect like chocolatey brown type of contact. Now granted, if you're looking for contacts that you want to see like a drastic change, then these definitely aren't the ones for you. But if you want like something subtle, just a little bit lighter, something you can wear as like an everyday contact where it doesn't look too crazy and everything like that, these are definitely the contacts for you. I have no complaints when it comes to these. These are probably like my top 3 favorite, even though it's not a giant difference. But again, like that really pretty like soft chocolate brown, that's just what really gets me. I'm just like, oh, look at my eyes. Like I don't know, and I feel like it also adds like a little twinkle as well. It's kind of hard to explain, but yeah, like these are definitely like a nice like enhancer in a way for someone who already has beautiful natural brown dark eyes like moi. But yeah, so that's in the beginning of the video, I did forget to mention that inside the box, each of your contacts do come with a contacts case with it, and also it comes with tweezers to help you take out your contacts, and then also a tool that helps you put, I cannot talk today, Lord, but it also comes with a tool that helps you put your contact lenses in, and that's what that looks like. Now granted, for me, ironically enough, this is what made me want to start getting into wear contacts anyway, was because that they came with these. But now that I've been a fluent contact lens wearer for I would say about 3 months now, I don't even use these at all. I honestly just use my fingers, and it's actually easier when I have my nails on versus when they're off, which is kind of weird, but whatever. But definitely if you're like a beginner and you're kind of scared and really like iffy about sticking your fingers in your eyes and all that stuff, every single case does come with the tweezer and also the insertion tool. And again, you do get your own contacts case, and then you also get this as well, so you can kind of just store everything in here and make it nice and pretty. I basically took the sticker saying which each contact name was and put it like on the front of it. Basically, like, you don't have to worry about getting the cases for each of the contacts. The only thing you have to do is make sure that you buy contact lens solution. And I'll leave a link down below to the specific solution that I like, because I actually need to grab some more, especially after doing this video and having to get new solution, dump the old solution out, all that other stuff. And also inside the box, like, each individual contact is stored in like this little package here. And I do love the fact how, like, on the package itself, it shows you like all the details and then also your prescription number as well on there. Especially for me, because I have my left eye is 3.50 and then my right eye is 3.00. So I really like how they have that on there, so I basically don't have to try to guess to see which contact goes for each eye. So that's really nice as well, so I really do like that. But yeah, other than that, I feel like I hopefully covered everything. Of course, if you guys have any additional questions, please don't hesitate to comment down below and let your girl know, you know, any additional questions, yada yada yada, all that fun stuff. Again, like I said before, I do have a discount code that you guys can get some money off, so definitely check that out down in the description below as well. But yeah, other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.